You want to know how to do this haircut, and this is how it looks at the end. And in this video I'll show you how to do this side part haircut step by step. Before we started, please hit the subscribe button and like this video, and if you have any idea or question, just let me know in the comment. Let's get started. Alright, so we start from the top, and I have a comb and some clips. So I just separate the top from the side. Just make sure you take a straight line. It's very important to take a straight line, and this is where you have to take your line from. If you take your line wrong, just double check and just make sure your line is correct. Well guys, we start cutting with the clippers on the side, and I put on the guard number 1.5, which is 4.5 millimeter, and just make sure you don't go so much high. And look at how I use the comb to help me not going so much high. So you can see if I didn't cut any hair, I just go back to that section and cut again to just make sure is balanced. And you can see when the clipper reach to the comb, I just take off the machine. It's very important. You don't have to take your machine off straight. So the next step is using the overcomb technique with the clipper. You can see how much I'm cutting and how I hold the comb. I'm just cutting a little bit all the way the side, and you have to hold the comb 45 degrees to the out. You don't have to hold it straight. If you hold it straight, you're gonna cut more and maybe you ruin your haircut. And I say that again, you can see here also, you can see the edge of comb is to the out, is not straight exactly to the in through the hair. And also at this part, so the next step is using the thinning scissors. Is not the cutting scissors. The thinning scissors is just the blend the hair to looks more fade and better. You can see the scissors is different. It's not the cutting scissors. This is called it thinning scissors. You can see the design of the scissors. And here is the other side. I'm almost done with the side. And here is the back side. So the next step is lining up. Lining up, it makes your haircut to look better and more professional and very nice. So if you want to line up around the ears, you should line up like a cane. And if you focus, the shape of ear is like the cane. So the cane is a very good exemplation. And here is the behind the ears, and here is the other side. Just use the corner of blade. Just if you forgot how to do lining up, just watch this video again and do it on your friends. So the next step, I'm just gonna fade the sideburn. You can see I just put on the guard 0.5, which is 5 millimeters, only for the sideburn and the back line. Especially when you fade the back line and the sideburns, it makes your haircut more professional, not very basic. When you put the line, it looks for many years ago, but it's not trend now. It's been like several years. This is the new style. So to fade the sideburn and the back line. So guys, I finished the side, so now I'm gonna go to cut the top. I just spray some water, just make sure all the hair is wet. So I'm just gonna lift up a small tiny section. You can see how much I picked up, and I'm gonna cut that much for him because he doesn't want so much short. And look at how I lift up the hair from the middle, tiny, and section by section going backward. So we separate the top to 3 sections. First is the middle and the left side and the right side. So now I finished the middle, and here is the left side. You can see you have to take a little bit hair from the middle to be your sample for the left side of the top, and going backward, and it shows also how much you have to cut, and it hasn't to be short and long. All the top has to be as the same. So, and now is the right side of the top. Now I'm doing connect the side to the up. You can see I hold my hands 45 degrees. Look at carefully how I hold my hand and how I pick the hair, and I do it again, the same things. So I finished the side, and here is the back, and I'm connecting the top to the crown and crown section to the back. You can see, just hold your hands same as the side 45 degrees and connect the back hair to the up. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna just cut it again from this part. So the hair must be from short to the long at the forehead in front, and it's going short to the crown part. Okay guys, I washed the hair already, and now I use the hair dryer, and I just little bit used pomade and I apply it on the hair. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and if you have any idea or question, just let me know in the comment. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. So guys, I'm done with the styling, and here is the final before and after. And guys, thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. I'll see you in the next video.